Bitcoin already $65,000. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Poriyanik and congratulations to you my friend. Bitcoin already back to $65,000 very quickly and very fast. If you're asking me last month how far Bitcoin can go and how far we can touch to $60,000, I'm answering you maybe we're taking time, but right now at the market we can see much power and we can see parabolic movement on the Bitcoin, and still there is a room to go much higher. Today on this video I want to sharing with you something very special, and I want to sharing with you my estimated price if Bitcoin break up the $66,000. But before we start, I want to talking to you my friend. Some of my friends complain and they say they're losing big money on the Bitcoin. I have a question. How are you losing your asset? Did you believe what you have in your hand, and did you believe on the Bitcoin? I'm on the market from 2015. On 2016, I became a full-time trader. I see so many up and down on this market. But what I believe on Bitcoin, and I believe from this asset we can making money and we can changing our life. I want to sharing with you something, my friend. Last year I get a scam and I lost all of my money. In 1 minute I lost all of my asset, including NFT, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and so much pain for me. The asset is a scam from me. Today price is almost $500,000, my friend. But did I die? No, I'm still alive and I still believe what I can do. And I'm very proud right now to sharing my winning percentage from my trade. And I want to telling you, my friend, never late. Don't complain, my friend. If you're losing the money before, is a time right now. Maybe on this cycle, you can cover it all of your losses and maybe you can be profit. I'm not saying I'm making $500,000 on this rally, and I want to telling you, if something happened to me, is make me more stronger. Why? Because right now I'm here and I'm sitting on the front of the camera and sharing with you guys my chart. And I hope in my chart is helping you, and I want to telling you, my friend, enough to complain. Enough to complain, and you can rebuild it again. Be strong, make yourself strong. That money is so big amount, but I believe in myself and I believe it. I still can make a money from this market as soon as market move. So I hope, my friend, stop complaining and come back again with a new energy and spend the time for yourself, educate yourself, and make a money from this market. So many people getting rich. I'm also rich because I know how to make it the money. I can see the chart. I can understand the technical. It's your turn, my friend, and is a time right now you can rebuild it again as soon as you have a hope, and this hope make you stronger. Don't be complain all the time. Stop complain and start to action. So this is about me. I recover myself, and it's your time. I'm here and so many people like me on this YouTube, and you can learn and you can connect with me on the Instagram, and I can helping you from what I can do. So let's jump to the chart and see what's going on the market. I want to start with the weekly time frame, and on the weekly time frame we can see right now still Bitcoin on the higher time frame super duper bullish. And I remember on the previous video I mentioned to you, my friend, as soon as the Bitcoin holding the $63,000 can come and touching the $66,000, and right now as I'm recording this video, Bitcoin already $65,400, and we can see right now surprisingly Bitcoin weekly time frame opening the candle higher than a $63,000. What I said before, and from when I starting this channel, I'm telling you, my friend, market is still in the bullish. So many people give the target for a sell signal, but as soon as the market going high, why not? We can go higher price, and right now Bitcoin is still on the bullish zone and it still can go higher. I want to show you something very interesting on the chart, and I have to open in the other chart for you. And we can see something very special on here. We can see the Bitcoin on the weekly time frame preparing for a couple of handle. And when I see this one, I can see more bullish than a bearish. But at the same time, are you ready for a correction, 20%, 40% on the market before the market going high? Right now, I want to estimate for you how much Bitcoin can go higher if you be breaking the $66,000. I mean, this is the weekly time frame. It's not respected for happening tomorrow. It's taking time, maybe past 6 months or 12 months or the year. Bitcoin easily, approximately, can come to $120,000, which is that one of my Fibonacci line. And I'm not surprising if Bitcoin breaking this zone and continue the rally. Bitcoin already super duper bullish, and maybe before the halving we touched to here around $80,000, $82,000, maybe continue to here back again to this zone around $66,000 and continue to go higher to 120 or higher than this price. What I want to mention to you, my friend, if Bitcoin from here get a correction 20-40%, are you ready for that? Are you preparing yourself for a big correction? Because as you can see right now, we didn't see any big correction. I estimate around 20%. And if from here we get rejected from $66,000, 20%, we will back again around $52,000, $53,000. And if you 40%, bring us back to around $40,000. So what I'm trying to mention for you, Bitcoin is bullish. Maybe by end of this year, we can see over than $100,000, or maybe soon we can see $80,000. What I want to mention to you, my friend, are you ready for a 40%, 20% correction before the market going to $100,000 and kick you out from the trade and the market? So this is very important, my friend, to keeping yourself in the trade and keeping yourself on the market. So I'm not saying market is going to be crashing right now, but anytime soon, we have to think about that. We have to be ready for any upcoming crash, because Bitcoin already non-stop 340% come up. And here, as a logically, is a selling area. And maybe we can get the big sell come up to the market, because so many people waiting. If you buy in the Bitcoin on here on the top today on the $65,000, after 2 years you still have a profit. And you have to prepare yourself, my friend. Maybe Bitcoin, maybe we can see from here the daily $10,000 pump or dump from the market, and you have to prepare yourself. Or right now is a time, my friend. If any happened to you before, which is that few years before, you cannot complain right now. I have this much money few years before, and now I hating the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going up, and the people making money and becoming millionaire, billionaire. I see so many people getting to the market and get rich. It's taking time. It's not quick. Nothing is quick. I'm also not complaining, because if any happened to me, make me a stronger. And I here right now, I'm proud of myself to sharing my profit. Maybe you don't like it, my friend, but I want to show you something that why you complaining? Stop complaining and do acting today. Develop yourself, make more educated yourself, and this is the time. If you are losing some money before, maybe this time you can cover it your costs. I'm not saying right now I'm earning $500,000, but I covering some, and I'm proud of myself, because I believe I'm a trader, and as soon as the market go up or go down, I'm a trader and I can make money. Today is your time, my friend, and you have to know who you are and how much educate yourself to make it the punch of the money. So I hope you are not getting angry. I want to sharing with you my experience, what happened to me before, and who I am and what I'm doing right now. That happened to me last year. I can sit at home and I cry and I say, oh, because of this, because of that, I'm losing money. Yes, I'm losing the big money, $500,000 approximately right now. But after that, I developing myself. I stand and I said, no problem. This is the second time happened to you, and you still can covering, and you have some knowledge. You can make money. If I'm cry and if I stop everything, I was not here right now. And I'm so proud into myself. I'm here right now and standing and I sharing my profit, which is that crazy profit. And I say, yes, can be possible. Just need to trust yourself And if you need any help, you can contact me on the Instagram, and whatsoever I can help you, I will do. This is all about I want to sharing with you, my friend. Bitcoin is still can possible to go to $120,000, but what I trying to mention for you, maybe we can back again to around $80,000 and crashing from here, or maybe on this zone is still many seller and we get some sell off, but on the higher time frame still Bitcoin on the bullish. I'm not going to be selling any of my Bitcoin right now, but I close in some of my trade right now, and because I believe in the Bitcoin can go higher, and I believe what I have and I believe what I keep right now, and I'm not selling my Bitcoin for a cheaper price. This is all about the Bitcoin. Let's jump very quickly to the Ethereum and see what's going on Ethereum. Ethereum also super duper bullish. We can see on the higher time frame, still Ethereum can rise up, and we already hitting on the $3,500. As I mentioned, this box maybe can sell off, but we see a little bit sell off and market continue to go higher. And if Ethereum passing the $3,600 approximately can go higher around exactly around the top, around $4,800. But for sure, we're going to be some sell-off going on the market around 3,935. But all depend if Ethereum breaking this zone and continue the rally. At the same time, if Ethereum cannot pass and we see some quickly sell here, it still can come back again to 3,281 and is still under the box, still on this box. And if anyhow we're breaking this $3,300, we have a strong support around 3,120. And if we check in the MACD, still histogram is green and we don't see any changes right now, and still market going high. On the daily time frame, still Ethereum can ping pong on this zone. We can see right now so many altcoins is rocketing right now, and Ethereum still didn't move proper. So if Ethereum passing 3,600, nothing can stop it until 3,934. And if Ethereum reject from this zone, still we have a support around 3,280. This is all about today, my friend. I sharing with you something happened to me on the last year and where I am right now. And I need your support, my friend, to like, subscribe, and share, and helping me and giving good energy to making better video for you. So this is all about it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on the Instagram. All the best for you, my friend, and see you on the next video. Ciao.